Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Troubleshooting Python 3 Command Not Working, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Python 3 is a powerful and widely used programming language, but users occasionally encounter issues where the Python 3 command does not work as expected. This tutorial aims to provide a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve common problems associated with the Python 3 command. Before troubleshooting, ensure that Python 3 is installed on your system. Open a terminal or command prompt and type the following command. If Python 3 is installed, the command will display the version number. If not, you may need to install Python 3 by downloading it from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Ensure that Python 3 is added to your system's path environment variable. On Linux and Mac OS, you can modify the /bashrc or /bash_profile file. On Windows, you can update the path variable through the system properties. If the Python 3 command is not recognized, try using the full path to the Python 3 interpreter. For example, on Linux/Mac OS. On Windows, if the Python 3 command is still not working, consider reinstalling Python 3. Uninstall the existing Python 3 installation and then reinstall it. If you are using virtual environments, ensure that you activate the environment before running the Python 3 command. On Linux/Mac OS. On Windows, check the executable permissions of the Python 3 interpreter. Ensure that the file has execute permissions. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues where the Python 3 command is not working. If problems persist, refer to the official Python documentation or seek assistance from the Python community. ChatGPT.